Hello lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can draw a realistic lips step by step, as simple as possible. Let's get right into the video. Kindly subscribe to my channel to get more of these videos in the future. So the first thing that I am doing here is to map out the areas of my highlight. You know that a realistic drawing contains three important factors that you want to put: the highlight, the midtones, and the shadow. So these three things must be there for your drawing to look realistic and amazing. So that's what I've just done here. I just mapped out the areas that my light source is focusing on directly, and that is my highlight. So I'm not going to be really shading that part. And then I am shading with my HB pencil. So I'm shading the midtones, the part surrounding the highlight, with an ordinary HB pencil. So you can grab any HB pencil that you can find, and you can also do the same. And you know that realistic lips has wrinkles, so we are incorporating that into our drawing with the HB pencil. So this is just the first layer of the drawing that we are going to be doing. The second step is to blend with a blending tool. So here I am using a Q-tip or a cotton board. You can use tissue paper, cotton wool, foam, blending stuff, anything that you can find around to give you a smoothness blend. So you can use whatever you have in your hand. The key is that you get a smoothness blending. So here is the drill: you layer and you blend, you layer and you blend. Layering helps a lot in realistic drawing, so you want to build up your layer as you go. And the next thing here that I'm doing is to further shade with a charcoal powder. So what I did was to dip my blending brush into a charcoal powder to further darken my drawing, and I'm going right with the 6B generous charcoal pencil for the really dark parts, the shadowed part that are hidden from the light. So I'm going in with the 6B pencil, charcoal pencil, to get this part very dark. So in drawing, you want to mind your contrast, you want to darken the shadows, you want to keep the highlight as light as you can, and also your midtones, you want to make sure that everything has the right values. Then I am also blending with the blending brush. So we don't want to have sharp edges, harsh lines. You want to blend everything seamlessly. So you layer, you blend, you layer, you blend until you are contented with whatever you are seeing. So the next thing that I am doing is drawing out my wrinkles, the wrinkles on the lips, with the 4B generous charcoal pencil. So when I draw it, I use the blending brush to blend it out, because we don't want harsh lines, we don't want sharp edges. So whatever you are drawing, make sure that you blend them The next thing that I'm doing here is to add a bit of highlight to the wrinkles that I already put into the drawing. So to make the wrinkles pop, we are not just going to leave it like that. You want to add some highlight to it, because these wrinkles also reflect, like they catch light too, so you want to add it to it to make the wrinkles appear as realistic as possible. Remember to blend and blend and blend and blend until your drawing is very smooth. No harsh lines, no sharp edges unnecessarily. So blend and blend and blend, layer and blend, layer and blend. To the teeth, you don't want to leave your teeth just blank white. No realistic teeth is white. There are subtle shading on the teeth, so you want to also do that. So we are not just going to be leaving the teeth as white as snow. No, we are going to shade on it. We are going to put some subtle shading to make it look realistic as possible. A lot of beginners make this mistake of not shading on their teeth at all, because we all think that the teeth is meant to be white, which is not so. The teeth also catches some light reflection, so we want to do just that into our drawing. So that's that with the upper lip. Now we are going to the lower lip, and we are repeating the same thing, layering first with the HB pencil, and then we blend it out with a Q-tip, and we also had layers and layers, and we further darken it with the charcoal powder using our brush as a tool for blending. And then we are going to leave out the highlight. So that's just that. That's the drill. Just shade and blend and shade and blend and shade and blend, minding your contrast. Keep the dark part dark, keep the light part light, and also midtones too. So we are also going to be putting wrinkles onto the bottom leaves as we did with the upper leaf, so you can enjoy the rest of the video. You can see that drawing realistic leaves is very simple, isn't it? Just watch the video and learn how you can draw a realistic leaves in a very simple way. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, why not? What are you waiting for? I'm going to be uploading more educative art videos, so you don't want to miss out on that. You don't want to miss out on the tips that I'll be giving you. So you can make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell to get notified when I post more videos in the future. I'll see you